It's been over a year. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so it's been a while and feeling really nervous. I haven't made a meaningful video for, I think it's over a year. And as time went by, it got harder and harder. I've received your messages, your requests. I've had clients who are like, when are you going to make a video and what's going on? And, tons of people have said, like, I've watched all your videos. Like, they're like, at some point, you've seen all of them. And some of them I haven't even seen for years. Like, it's been so long. And they're like, when are you going to make another video? So first of all, let me tell you what I have been doing this whole year, what's been going on. I'm not gonna tell you everything, of course, but I have been working. I have been definitely doing cuddling and doing my supportive and empowered sessions. I find that most people want empowered sessions. I'm sorry, that's not true. Go back. Well, people want supportive sessions because I think a lot of people just kind of don't have to think about sessions. They just kind of want to come in and have a therapeutic session where just like lie back and just, love on me, hug on me, kind of just guide things. Which, by the way, where am I? I'm in my bedroom. You're seeing me where I sleep. I decided to get up out of bed and set the camera up and have these flowers. I mean, this is what I look like. And I literally haven't touched my hair. I went to sleep like this last night. That's what I look like. Anyway, so you're getting me in my most raw state. But yes, I've been doing cuddling. I've also been doing a lot of surrogate partner work. That's probably been the majority of the work, has been a chance to meet people where they're at. And a lot of people just haven't had a lot of experience or just been a really long time since they've connected with another human, and in this case, another woman, right? Because that's what I consider myself. And that's probably been my most meaningful work over this past year, is meeting people in that space, exploring, trying to figure out, working with their therapist, like what's really going on here. At times being completely stumped and going, I know what's needed here and it's not me. Like, I don't know how to take you on down this path. One of the biggest transformations of my years, attending an energetic sex training for 2 weeks. That was amazing, because that was the piece I was missing, is learning how to awaken someone's energetic body, or like how to connect with someone energetically, like with the body, without words, just with that kind of connection. And it was like my body was ready, like we were like right on. I just needed that track to land on, and that adding that to the work has been really powerful. So I feel like more of a complete practitioner now. So it's really great. And there's like those things I've been wanting to share with you all. So why have I stayed away? Oh wait, before, something else I've been doing, lots of intensives and traveling, which some of you don't live near me. I have gone to multiple cities since COVID, and I'm eager to travel if it works out financially, if it helps me and it helps you. So that's also something I've been really available for. All right, so why haven't I been on? This is my confession time. The part that scares me. So yes, I'm looking at my notes because I'm like, do I really want to say these things? I'm scared. Okay. So I want you to know I judge myself pretty harshly for even having the thoughts that I'm about to share. Hence why it's so hard for me to share them. So as my videos began to have more and more of an impact, I started to get more scared, right? Because I'm like, the next video isn't going to be good as the last. I don't have anything else, or just like this feeling like, what if I have a bomb video? It's so much pressure. It really is really hard to I put this pressure on myself that I had to have like awesome, amazing content because it had touched so many people. And I will be honest, when people have said that one thing you said in the video and they tell me, and I'm like, I don't remember saying that. And I'm like, I'm so grateful you got something out of that. Because again, confession time, when I make these videos, I never rewatch them. Like, I've never rewatched a video of mine. And there are a lot of videos that need to be remade. Like, my code of conduct has completely changed. Since I'm no longer working with cuddlists, I have my own code of conduct that I'm still working on putting together. And I want to share that with you all because it's much more open. I'm really willing to explore like decolonized sessions, which is real edgy, super, super edgy stuff. And I can't speak of it right now or here, but looking at how we can really come together as two human beings who make an agreement together for an experience, for a touch that that can be platonic and can be nurturing and affectionate, and still, again, we can explore just how that happens together. But anyway, like things have changed, and I've changed, and I've grown, and I see things really differently. But definitely had this feeling of like I hate to perform, and with these type of videos, it begins to feel like lots on the line, right? It has an impact, it has a ripple, and me feeling really scared about that as people get to know me more. So just not really working that through well and pretending like it didn't exist. Ooh. And it did, and I was so scared to talk about it. So I want to also let you all know that I've allowed myself to make some unethical decisions in my profession. I may or may not speak about it, I'm not sure. If you know me, I probably will speak about it eventually. Ugh. Which, yeah, it has consequences. Because that's probably one of my things, is that I kind of live my life out loud. And it's kind of scary to do that because, again, it has impact. So I've made choices that have even probably gone against some of the videos I've made. People grow. What? How's that a thing? People change their minds? Yeah, and I'll tell you, I changed my mind because I met humans. Humans change my mind. Humans, I want to be sensitive enough to make an impact on me. And again, it's been really scary to take that path, and in a lot of ways by myself, because there aren't a lot of people to talk about it with. And I have a therapist processing, working through it most of the year. A lot of support, at least close. But okay, I hate teasing people, so I'm gonna move on because that's the fucking biggest tease ever, and that's annoying. It would be annoying for me. Okay, so continuing. And yeah, you know what it is. I mean, come on, everyone blames it on COVID. Yes, COVID. I have 4 children. Those of you who don't know, I was saturated. Life got really saturated. I'm polyamorous, so there's multiple relationships, and need to create better boundaries. And so right now, this video is even like a stand for myself. I'm standing for myself to make these for you. I have so much to say, so much I want to share, and I'm gonna do this for myself as well. So why am I back? Oof, what am I doing? Why am I back here? Okay, so I am doing this in an attempt to be courageous and, again, live my life out loud like I do, what brings me the most pleasure. Also, because you all have asked me, you know who you are, those who out there are like, why haven't you made any videos? You need to make more videos. I'm like, okay, I am here. I have a lot to share. And I think the biggest acknowledgement for me is I'm going to make mistakes. Like, it's okay that I'm going to say things here that might rub you wrong or might not work for you, and that is okay. It really is okay. And the new moon was yesterday, and I'm working on my guilt. I have a lot of guilt within me, and I to make everybody happy. And I want to make a whole video about that. But really what it needs to be about is I need to trust that you're going to take care of yourself. If I say something that doesn't work for you, I need to trust that you're going to live your best life no matter what I say. And this is everything right now for me. I need to trust that you're okay if I say something that upsets you. Oof. And I don't need to take care of you. No, that's the hardest thing right now for me. These next couple weeks until the full moon, I'll be working on how scared I am around that. And I need to face my mistakes, and then realizing that some of my mistakes are the best things I ever did. Like, what's a mistake for the world, for like within the structure and system I live in, was actually the best thing I could have done for myself. And that's really hard to piece out because everyone can be looking and going, that's not okay. And I'm like, I know that you may not think that's okay, and it's okay. I'm gonna stand in this mistake or this decision. So with making videos, I'm gonna say things, do things that it's okay. I trust that you'll take care of yourself. Like as I cringe, because that's really hard. And to let you all know, I'm making these videos again because guess what? I am available. I am available for sessions. I'm available. I'm here. I've had the great opportunities to travel to Portland recently to work with clients because of these videos, because people got to meet me here. Yeah, I've had fantastic opportunities thanks to all these videos. So I want to see you. I want to see you. My intention is to come back here at least every week, to talk about something that's relevant to either professional cuddling or surrogate partner work or just working with clients. And I want you to know this, I think this is different than other videos within professional cuddling, but my focus is on you, the client. It's always been my focus, and how I can help and support you to win in our sessions. So if you're a surrogate partner client or a cuddle client, these videos are for you, so that you can win with me, win with others, hopefully, because it depends on who you choose to work with, that I can support you navigating your life, your world, and then work with us. And I really want to speak to you. So that's, again, my heart in doing this. Okay. I'll close for now. I promise to be back. I'm making commitment to stand for myself. In that case, means making stuff for you all, because this nourishes me as much as I hope it nourishes you. And I love you all. Love that you're here with me. And it's a lot. So here it goes. Mwah. Happy fall. It's time to bundle up a little bit more, get some warm clothes on, maybe make yourself a hot cocoa. Cozy up with another person and cuddle, and share how you feel, and share how you messed up today, and receive love and grace, because it's okay. I love you.